Okay, to start, let's open Google Chrome. And then, let's type PNP clearance na lang. Type lang natin yung PNP clearance. Okay, and then, police clearance. Pindutin natin. We are on the website na. Then, register. And then, some human challenges. Nanap niya bags, so 5 bags. Then confirm. Okay, check lang natin yung terms and conditions, yung mga boxes. I think 7 to. Just hit next. Pagkatapos mo mag-check, next. I agree. Then, okay, dito sa email address tab, hindi naman kailangan Gmail or Yahoo siya. You can create a dummy one. Okay, hindi siya verified. So, let's create Juan.delacruz. Again, hindi ho siya legit na Gmail. Wala siyang existing Gmail account. So, ayan. Juan.delacruz44@gmail.com. Then, lagay muna natin yung first name. Kung wala kayong middle name, just leave it blank. Okay, you don't need to put NA or what. Or, yun, none. Huwag nilalagay ng none. Then, kung qualifier, kung junior kayo, or senior, syempre, pag babae, wala yan. Then, male. Then, hit nyo itong box dito sa may right side. Pag saselect kayo ng birth year nyo. Okay. Then, pupunta na tayo sa password. Okay guys, dito sa password, dito maraming nahihirapan. Okay, bukod dun sa email address. Yung password niya dapat dito is alphanumeric. Okay. At saka should be 12 characters po pataas. Hindi pwedeng 10, hindi pwedeng 11. 12 pataas po. So, let's try here. Delacruz, as you see, meron na malaking letra which is letter D. That's uppercase. And then mga malilit na letra which is lowercase. Yung E. Lacruz 2024. And then meron tayong exclamation point as special character. So ayan, nasunod na yung condition sa password. So, kinopy ko siya and then ipipaste ko. Okay, kompleto na yung details and then register tayo. Pipindutin natin register and then save. Yan na yung password natin. Then may lalabas na safe password. Save na lang natin para next time na mag-login tayo, mas madali na lang. Automatic mag-type yung email at saka yung password. Pero for now, I'll type my email at saka yung ating password. Okay, and then sa-sign in na tayo dyan. So, yun lang guys. Ganun kadali mag-register sa National Police Clearance. Ulitin ko lang. Ang Gmail account or ang Yahoo email, it doesn't have to be active. Kahit dummy account lang siya. Kahit kaka-create nyo lang siya through PNP clearance, okay lang po siya. Ang password, 12 characters po siya. May maliit na letra, may malaking letra, may number, at meron din pong special character like exclamation point or @ So yun lamang po, thanks for watching and kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na to, just hit like and then subscribe na rin po sa ating channel. Thank you.